In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Sephora gift card number. We will walk through checking your card details and balance so you know exactly how much you can spend. First, go to the Sephora gift card page. Open your browser and type in Sephora in the address bar. Then go to the main Sephora site. Once the homepage loads, look for the section or link related to gift cards and choose the option that takes you to the gift card page. You will know you are in the right place when you see fields asking for a gift card number and a PIN, along with a button for checking the balance. Now, enter your 16-digit gift card number. On a physical Sephora card, this long number is printed on the back of the card. Some newer cards show it clearly, while others may require you to gently scratch a small coating to reveal it. Type the digits slowly into the gift card number box and double-check every 4 digits to avoid a typo. If even one digit is off, the page will not be able to find your card, so taking an extra second here prevents error messages later. Next, enter your PIN. The PIN is a shorter number that is usually hidden under a scratch-off strip on the back of physical cards. Use a coin or your fingernail to scratch carefully so you do not damage the numbers underneath. Then type that PIN into the PIN field on the page. Make sure you enter every digit, since missing one number will cause the site to reject the card details. A quick tip here: the gift card number and the PIN are different things, so be sure you are putting each one in the correct box on the screen. After that, click Check Balance to verify the card details and remaining balance. Once you click, the page may take a moment to load while it talks to Sephora servers. When it finishes, you should see your current gift card balance displayed, often along with the last few digits of your card, so you can confirm it matches the card in your hand. If the information is correct, you now know exactly how much money is available on that specific card and can plan your purchase. At this point, it helps to know how your physical Sephora gift card is laid out. Physical cards have a 16-digit gift card number and a PIN hidden under the scratch-off area on the back. The long number usually appears in a larger font near the center or bottom, while the PIN section is smaller and clearly marked. Understanding this layout makes it much easier to find and enter the right numbers without confusion. Finally, be aware of what to do if the numbers on your card are damaged. If either the gift card number or the PIN is scratched off too hard or is unreadable, contact Sephora customer service and have your proof of purchase available. They may ask for details from your receipt or where you bought the card, so keeping that information nearby will speed things up. You just learned how to find your Sephora gift card number and check its balance online. So if this helped you get your balance sorted, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it. And feel free to subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.